What if I told you that one of the most fascinating sides of Dubai has nothing to do with skyscrapers, luxury hotels, or famous landmarks? Today, I want to take you somewhere completely different. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. I'm so happy to have you with me. Subscribe, leave a like, and share this video if you enjoy discovering new places with me. My journey through Dubai starts here, in Deira, one of the oldest and most traditional parts of the city. I'm starting at Abra Deira, and from here I'm going to walk through the old trading streets and markets. This is not the Dubai you usually see in travel videos. Here, instead of huge shopping malls and modern boutiques, you can see the traditional side of everyday trade, small shops, local products, spices, herbs, sweets, household items, and all kinds of interesting things. My next stop is Grand Souk. Just walking through these streets is an experience. There is something to look at everywhere: colorful displays, traditional goods, shop windows, and people doing business just as they have been doing here for generations.
Hello. What is this? Canada. Hello. Hi. How are you?
And then I reached the Dubai Spice Souk. This is where the atmosphere changes completely. But there is one thing that makes this part of Dubai especially famous.
Smell this one.
You can see mountains of spices, herbs, dried fruits, sweets, and all those beautiful colors and textures that are so characteristic of Middle Eastern markets.
Hello. Skip that. I feel chocolate the front of you. So just have a look. You want a spicy saffron or something? Huh?
Gold. And I'm not talking about gold bars sitting in a bank. I'm talking about jewelry, lots and lots of jewelry. Necklaces, bracelets, rings, earrings, and enormous traditional pieces. Many of them designed in a very distinctive Middle Eastern style. In this part of the world, gold has traditionally been much more than just decoration. For many women, gold jewelry can represent personal wealth.
Where are you from?
Planet Earth.
Oh, I'm the moon.
Family heritage, and something valuable that can be passed from one generation to another. And that makes the final stop on my walk especially interesting. The Dubai Gold Souk. This is where the streets suddenly become filled with gold.
Thank you very much.
Hello. Rami Mutlulay.
Shop after shop, window after window. There are jewelry pieces in every possible size and style. Some are delicate and elegant, while others are absolutely spectacular. I came here in the evening on a weekend, just before closing time. I wanted to avoid the biggest crowds and have a chance to really look around and see the details. So now, let's walk together through the traditional markets of Deira and discover a side of Dubai that you may not have seen before.